Hello everyone, I'm Dipali Meena, second year student of journalism from LSR. Drugs takes lives, love save lives. Yes, this is true. Our forefathers had always said that never take such types of substance abuses because it spoils life. But our teens becoming more addicted towards drug abuses such as alcohol smoking. So my topic gives a brief up on how and why teenagers becoming more addicted towards substance abuses. Now we have with us Ms. Shalu, who is a psychology teacher and also a registered special educator by Rehabilitation Council of India.
Let's start with the very first beginning question. What is drug addiction?
Using the drug over and excessively is called drug addiction, and drug addiction includes the usage of drug which is not prescribed by the medical person, and the person become habitual of taking that drug, and drugs start interfering in the professional, social and personal life of the person.
What are the signs of addiction?
Addiction includes basically three things. First, the person start having intensive craving. Second is the person become dependent on that particular drug. Third thing is tolerance.
How teens becoming drug abusers?
Nowadays, most of the teens become user of a particular drug because of first is peer pressure. More and more friend circle, because they have to attend they have to be in group. Second is media influence. Media is also very glorifying these things, and sometimes teenagers try to copy the adult or to be like a mature man. That's why they start involving themselves into these kind of activities.
What are the physical signs of abuse or addiction?
Physical signs include the bodily changes. So when the person starts using particular drug, body become dependent on the particular drug, and they feel if they are not having that particular dose, their body ache starts, which results in nausea feeling, tension, anxiety, and they feel loss of energy in the body.
How quickly a teen become addicted towards a drug like alcohol or cigarette smoking?
Actually, teenage is a age of challenge seeking. The teens want the life to be very thrilling. Because of experimentation, because of curiosity, he start involving himself into these kind of activities. That's why, and because decision making is not as very good at that particular stage, teenage stage. That's why the teenage become more vulnerable to involve themselves into these kind of practices.
Does doing one drug like cigarette lead to abuse other drugs?
Yes, generally we call in medical term alcohol and cigarette is a gateway drug which leads to which leads the way to the other drugs. Once the person start with it, and then he land up to the other marijuana and more amphetamines and other drugs.
Teenagers know that these bad habits have adverse effect on health, but still they continue with these substance abuses. Why?
Drug addiction is like a obsession. The person become obsessive of taking that drug, and which leads to compulsive behavior.
Why are drugs so hard to quit?
First is addictive power of that particular drug, make person use it over and over again. Lack of willpower also is another reason which prevent the person to quit the drug.
Do you want to give any messages to our adolescents regarding how they get over with these bad habits?
Yes, I would say teenage is the age of charms and challenges. Experimentation and curiosity may sometime turn into habit, so try to stay away from it and using any kind of drug for pleasure, because it is always short term or temporary. And be assertive in your approach, so that if you are in company of people who are using it, so you should be assertive in your refusal. Thank you.
We are also having a teenager who is addicted to alcohol. Let's share his experiences.
ये मैंने स्टार्ट किया था अपनी फ्रेंड के लिए, जब मैं फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप थे, जब मैं ब्रेकअप किया था फ्रेंड्स के साथ, जब मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने मुझे ड्रॉप किया था, बीच किया था, तो मैंने ड्रिंक्स किए थे फ्रेंड्स के साथ, क्लब पार्टीज में गया, पर मेरी फैमिली को पता है कि मैं ड्रिंक करता हूँ, फिर पापा मुझे डांटते हैं, फिर मैं ड्रिंक करता हूँ रात को, हर रोज बैठकर फ्रेंड्स के साथ घूमता हूँ, नाइट आउट मारता हूँ। अब ये हर रोज हर महीने न्यू गर्लफ्रेंड, हर रोज ब्रेकअप होता है। सबको पता है, फ्रेंड, मम्मी पापा, हर एक फैमिली को पता है मैं ड्रिंक करता हूँ, स्मोक करता हूँ, घूमने जाता हूँ, सब कुछ करता हूँ, तो वो नॉर्मली होता है। और ये नॉर्मली फ्रेंड्स के साथ होता है नॉर्मली, और तक मैं पी रहा हूँ, पीता रहूंगा पूरी जिंदगी।
We having with us Mr. Kak, who is a president of Mayur Vihar Welfare Association. He brief up his experiences that how a family suffers when an alcoholic or drug addict lives near your house.
And as far as my specific query to me is that what family faces. Now you cannot have a better subject than me, who has suffered the worst because not of the drug but alcoholic, because of the severe consumption of alcohol. Now these get deranged, and naturally you have always to look to their needs. You have to always look to their fancies. You have to always cope up with their demands. Now sometimes either you have paucity of time, either you have paucity of funds. We cannot satisfy each and every demand of the alcoholic person. Now this virtually shatters the family. This has an impact on the children living in the home, because it's a one unit. We can't afford, we are not that high class people that we can afford everybody a separate unit, separate room, separate household. We can't afford it. So in one shelter we live, and if we have to accommodate an alcoholic, there cannot be anything worse than this. You can suffer any inconvenience in the world, let me tell you, my child, but you cannot cope up with, because their behavior becomes abnormal. Their behavior becomes unpredictable. They turn violent. They spoil the peace of the home. They destroy everything, including their own selves. That's what I have to say. Thank you very much.
Thanks to all of you for sharing your experiences. Addiction should never be treated as a crime. It has to be treated as a health problem. So I am concluding with, say no to drugs.